Yep. This that motherfucking smooth shit. Kid gon' murder Inc. No, I'm not.
Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Baver here, and we're here today to build the RX78 Gundam version Hotsix. So to give more context, what Hotsix is it's Korean Red Bull, essentially, an energy drink, specifically in Korea, and they had a limited release back in 2019 May. As you can see, there's no price on this kit as it is one of the P-Bandai limited event specials. So today we're gonna build this guy, fast quick review and see how the new kits are looking like. And yeah, stay tuned.
Shit, you kids are more just like doo-doo to me. I done graduated, fuck you mean that you are schooling me.
Yo, S.K.C, that's who we be. Johnny D, toast to this new MC. Hey, the young master of ceremonies, gon' tell your cronies. Know what he spits, a quick for real niggas. This hard ripping, the flaws pimping. My art different, I talk slick and I'm bar tipsy. Choke rappers, the sick rapture, the fifth chapter, the misfits with a sick hit. The spin
my brother's back to the basics. Kids rapping faded, swagger's never jaded. Revolution's about to make it. I hope my skill ain't mistaken for these rappers trying to fake it. It's kinda hard to say that I ain't the greatest, but that's just how I play it. The movement is the peace, so living in this beast ain't nothing but a mission, G. These hoes don't bother me, of course, why bother, G? My hollering causes your apology. Raw geniusly, kinda high, fuck it. I could touch the sun and it's nothing, I'm the uncle to the...
Hey guys, so I ended up finishing this overnight, and overall it's a very enjoyable kit. I love the colors. I do have to say the orange and this type of off purple / navy really brings the kit alive. Obviously you get the little sign, Hotsix sign there, and a Hotsix plaque on the left shoulder there. But yeah, and also see custom little decals that was also included in the kit. Overall, it's a general RX78 HG. I would say this is version 2 kits. But yeah, overall they, you know, stand and function just like any other normal one would. But yeah, overall very enjoyable. Another good